What's up, you guys? Welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys how to make a perfect paper airplane. All you need is a perfect sheet of paper that has no folds or nothing like that. You need your perfect corner paper, and that's all you basically need. Now let's make a paper airplane. First, you gotta do is make it into the hot dog style. As we in the United States, we call it the hot dog style. So you gotta make sure both the points are correct. And you gotta make sure both the points at the end are correct too. You gotta like arrange it right there, like that. And you just crease it up both the sides. Crease up both the sides. Then you flip it over like that. Then you fold both of the corners down the center. Like that. You fold both of the sides down the middle like that. Do the same thing to the other side. You fold it down. You go like that. You gotta make sure the corners, the points, they're sharp. You gotta make sure the points are sharp so this thing could fly really far. So just do that. And flip it over. Make sure the point is a really good point, right like that. And just make sure the whole plane is good. Make sure this corner is the same too. Just go like that. Crease it up. Use your nails, and just crease it up. My nails look really bad right now, but anyways, after you've done that, you make another crease down the middle, just like that. And then you just do the same to the other side. Fold it like that, just like that, and that. Down. And I'm guaranteeing you guys this thing is gonna go really far. And just do that. Just do that. And after you've done that, you basically make a flip it. Instead of going inside, you go outside and flip the outside like that. Flip the outside like that. Make sure the point is sharp. Like that is pretty sharp right now. You gotta make sure the point is solid and sharp. And you pull it down, crease it up. You gotta do the same thing to the other side. Make sure the point is the important thing. It doesn't matter about the plane. The point is the important thing. And like that. Make sure everything is nice and crispy. And there we go. There we go. This right here is a nice. Paper airplane that I promise you guys it's gonna fly really high. I promise you guys it's gonna fly really high. Like that right there, that point right there is really sharp. That is really sharp. That point right there, that is really sharp.